What got me back into air guns? As a gag gift, I received a replica of the Daisy Youth Line 1938 Red Ryder air rifle for Christmas 2019 from my wife. Firing this replica of the vintage 1938 Red Ryder BB gun rekindled my interest in plinking, and I acquired more Springers, CO2, and pump air guns. Above is my Red Ryder BB guns that I received as a Christmas gift from my parents in the 1980s. Below it is the Red Ryder BB gun that I received as a gift from my wife in Christmas 2019. Notice that they're very similar. Above is my dad's Red Ryder BB gun from the 1950s. The metal on this vintage air gun actually has bluing applied like a real firearm instead of just being painted black like the modern replicas. Also notice that between my dad's 1950s Red Ryder BB gun and my BB gun from the 1980s, that the Red Ryder logo is actually on the opposite side of the stock. My Daisy Red Ryder BB gun from the 1980s still functions fairly well. The accuracy of my 1980s Daisy Red Ryder BB gun is fairly good as well. Shooting my dad's Red Ryder BB gun from the 1950s. Cocking it is much harder than on the new Red Ryder BB guns. My dad's 1950 era Red Ryder BB gun also has a harder kick, which makes me believe that the velocity of the older Red Ryder BB guns is much higher than their newer ones, which are currently rated at about 350 FPS. Unfortunately, I don't have a chronograph, so I can't actually do measurements of velocity. Now I'm taking 6 shots of my dad's vintage 1950 Red Ryder air rifle to kind of compare accuracy. I am actually surprised how accurate my father's old 1950s era Red Ryder BB gun rifle is. Above is my Crosman 357 pellet gun. It was the first CO2 powered air gun I own, and this one was purchased from Kmart in 1985. Recently this gun developed an internal air leak, and I fixed it by installing a complete new CO2 valve assembly I purchased from a seller on eBay. Below is the brand new Crosman Vigilante CO2 powered air gun. As you would see, it's very similar to the Crosman 357 on the top. The difference is it comes with both a 10-shot pellet clip and a 6-shot BB clip, whereas the original Crosman 357 only came with a 6-shot pellet clip. I have removed the grips from the vintage Crosman 357 on the top and the new Crosman Vigilante on the bottom. As you would see, the actual internal parts of the grip have been redesigned. In addition, the gun barrel has been redesigned for the Vigilante and is different from the older Crosman 357. My vintage Crosman 357 works as good as new since I replaced the CO2 valve assembly. The performance of my new Crosman Vigilante is identical to that of my vintage Crosman 357. I am now taking 6 shots from the vintage Crosman 357. And now, in the lower right-hand target, I'm going to take 6 shots from the new Crosman Vigilante. As you can see, both of them, their shots are all within a 1-inch cluster. The Vigilante seems to be closer to the target slightly than the older Crosman 357, but that could be due to needing a slight bit of alignment on the back or the rear sight on the Crosman 357. I hope you enjoyed my brief trip down memory lane. Please like this post and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.